Hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. I have my Miss Magnuson crown on. Do you like this one today? I love it. I think I look good. All right, so yesterday we worked on triangles, acute, obtuse, and right. I cannot wait to see the triangle families that you created for me or the triangle math class that you made. I'm very excited to see those when we meet today. So let's just go over our triangles that we went over yesterday, and we're also going to do our angle exercises because we have to do lots of practice with this topic. So remember, our right triangle is a triangle with one right angle. So even if there are two acute, as soon as you see that right angle, we know it's the right triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one obtuse angle. So again, even though you see two acute, as soon as you see that one obtuse angle, we know it's obtuse. And then my favorite triangle, an acute triangle, is a triangle with three acute angles. 1, 2, 3, all acute. All right, let's do our angle exercises. I need to get down on my knees. All right, show me a right angle, a straight angle, an acute angle, and an obtuse angle. Let's do it again. I know you love this. A straight angle, a right angle, an acute angle, and an obtuse angle. I love these angle exercises. All right, now what we're learning today is different types of lines. So exciting. So what we're going to learn today are 3 different kinds of lines. And then again, once we learn them, you have a simple sheet to do and post it in our Google Classroom. And then when we meet, we will practice. And I'm trying to think of some project we could do with lines today. All right, so we have perpendicular lines. I know that's a really big word. So perpendicular lines are lines in a plane that intersect to form 4 right angles. So again, you have one that goes straight up and down and one straight across. And you know they're perpendicular because they form the right angle. So you'll see the square. All right, now if you only see one square, it doesn't matter. As long as you see one little box drawn, we know the lines are perpendicular. All right, big word. Okay. Then we have parallel lines. So parallel lines are lines in a plane that are always the same distance apart. They never intersect. So think about train tracks, right? They never intersect, they never cross. Or Jake, you'll love this one, like goalposts, right? Goalposts, they never intersect. Or touchdown, right? Our arms never intersect. So again, parallel lines are lines in a plane that always are the same distance apart. They never intersect. So that's my best example to show you is think about train tracks or goalposts on a football field. Okay, then we have the next one. We have intersecting lines. So intersecting lines are in a plane that cross at exactly one point. They form 4 angles. Now, it's different from perpendicular lines because perpendicular lines form right angles. Intersecting lines do not form right angles. They just cross, okay? So if they don't have that little square, you know they're not perpendicular, but they're intersecting. So it can get a little confusing, but you have to remember perpendicular lines form the right angle, so you'll see the little square. If you don't see the square, you know they are intersecting lines. All right, so like I said, what we'll do today is I'm going to tell you, draw some perpendicular lines. So if you draw a perpendicular, you're going to go one line straight up and down, one line straight across, and you'll put in one little square. That's it. Now they don't have to be perfect. As long as I see the square, I know you drew perpendicular lines. Okay. Then I may say draw intersecting lines. So again, you'll draw 2 lines that cross, but you're not going to draw the box because I didn't ask for perpendicular lines, only intersecting lines, okay? Now, when you draw your lines, make sure you draw your arrows because that shows me you're using lines. And then if you draw parallel lines, you just draw 2 of them side by side. They can be going across, or you could be doing them up and down. So they can be this way or this way. It doesn't matter as long as they don't cross or intersect. Now remember, like I said before, when I ask you to draw lines, you must do them with the arrow, because remember, a line, where is that sheet? A line is a straight path that continues on and does not end. All right, awesome job. I know you guys are going to do fabulous today. I'm looking forward to seeing you when we Google Meet and looking at your classwork that you've done for me. All right, so I'll see you at 11:30. Bye, guys.